To start things off, I added a video with some music. Now the first thing we want to do is make a cut where we want the underwater effect to start. Select the cut tool, then drag your playhead to where you want the effect to start. I'm going to set mine to where he's underwater. Now cut your audio track next. Head over to the effects pane, type low, pass into the search box. Drag the effect onto your audio track you cut out. Now when I play this back, we have a nice sounding underwater sound effect. If you want to increase the intensity of the underwater sound, select your audio track with the effect, go to Effect Controls, and in the Low Pass Effect settings, lower the cutoff. Alright, and there you have it. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.